I've had this gadget for some time now, maybe 5 years. It's pretty handy. You can use it to jumpstart your car, charge your devices, as an AC power source, or to inflate your tires. This particular model is the Schumann 1200 amp model. So I went to put air in the tires the other day, and there's the problem right there. There was more air coming out than going in. Of course, when I was putting the air in, the hose didn't look like this. I could hear some hissing, and I had to play around with the hose a little bit until I found the problem. And then the sheathing broke as well. Dry rot. This hose, for some reason, this particular hose got real brittle. I'll show you later just how brittle it got. Maybe I kept it in too hot a place. I don't know. So these things are not cheap, and if I'm going to keep it, I want all the features to work. So the plan is to replace the hose. Uh-oh, I have to break the warranty seal. This side had only one screw on the plastic side cover. The other side had one screw on the plastic cover plus an additional screw once you removed it. So there it is, the bottom one. That's the hose I have to replace. Any which way I look at it, it doesn't unscrew. So I'm going to have to cut off that crimped fitting without damaging the nipple that it's attached to. Before I cut, take a look at part of the old hose. Now you can see just how brittle the hose is. You're supposed to curl up that hose so you can tuck it into a little opening in back of the jump starter. Of course, you're not supposed to bend it in half, but no way should it just break in half. Here goes. I'm using my Dremel type rotary tool with the cutoff wheel on. Success. This is the new hose. Flexible too. Notice the fitting that goes to the tire. It's an instant on and off, which to me is a huge improvement. The old one screwed on and off. Screwing it on was not a problem, but unscrewing, I can never get it off fast enough without letting out a little bit of air. I often wondered how many pounds I may have just lost, and I'd have to put the tire gauge back on and sometimes add air. Sometimes I'd put in a little more air just to make up for a possible loss when I unscrew it. With this contraption, you flip it and it's instantly off. You lose a minuscule amount of air. So for me, that's a great improvement. On the other end that connects to the compressor, the hose came with the screw-type fitting. Some compressors come with that system, but not mine. So I'm just going to have to cut off that fitting and fasten the hose with a clamp. Well, it works great now. I hope this video was helpful, even if you don't have the same model. Links are below for the hose and clamp. I only spent $9 for the hose on Amazon and $6 for 20 clamps. Of course, I only needed one, but I'm ready for anything now. Have a good one.